okay? My heart is pounding because this is the episode I've been dreading to make, and as you all have seen, if you've even watched the previous episodes, those episodes were about a year ago. So I may have procrastinated a bit, and here we are. Oh god, here we go. Alright. What do you have to say, kid? I don't even know what voice to give you anymore. Yo! Are you sneaking out, too, to see her? Oh, shit, I already messed up. I didn't even read. My mouth got ahead of me. Okay, hold on. I gotta get into the mindset of reading again. Shut your mouths up for a second. Yo! Are you sneaking out to see her, too? Awesome. She's the coolest, right? I want to be just like her when I grow up. Hey, don't tell my parents I'm here. Yeah. Are you a girl or a boy? I see like a bow there. Am I giving you the wrong voice? I'm gonna keep giving you that weird voice. Sans is not here. That's interesting. I don't remember anything at all. Use the box. I have candy, bandage, ribbon, candy, stuff, garbage. So, aren't I committing genocide? I should be, right? Yeah. I'm pretty sure that's gonna be useful. What does that give me? I genuinely can't remember any of the items. That's... Oh, wow. 10! Okay, What did I have before? Uh-huh. Interesting. I'm gonna put you in my box. So... how do I run into things, particularly? I genuinely don't want to mess this up. Because if I do, I have to start all over. Oh. Oh yeah, that's right! Papyrus is taking a little nap. Yeah. Oh shit. No one's here. I'm not here. I don't even exist. You're crazy. You're seeing things. You're schizophrenic. Just gonna... Is it possible? Yeah, there we go. I needed to turn that volume down. I don't even know if that was echoing. Yo! Did you see the way she was staring at you? That was awesome! I'm so jealous. She was just standing there waiting forever. And then you just... Come on! Let's go watch her beat up some bad guys. Oh, you poor soul. 18 left. Okay, good. Is this where I get to encounter things? Oh, everything's already done. Can I please encounter something? I'm gonna speed this up if I, actually am in a farming sequence. There we go! Hi, buddy! Oh, yeah, that's right, I have that. Okay, right. I forgot how to play, so this is gonna be quite the episode. I screwed up. Oh, God. Okay. Right. No, I'm not sparing you. You don't get spared. Not in my world. This is kill or be killed. Yes. I'm just gonna say this now. If, I can do it on a controller, kinda. If, this recording sucks at all, or fails, I'm not re-recording this. This will just be a lost episode. That's genuinely how, like, I don't want to redo all this. How many steps do I have to walk to run into someone? It's not that hard! Actually, one thing I am gonna do is I'm gonna go get this quiche. I don't know what the hell it is. I don't know how to say it. I'm gonna call it a quiche. This is taking forever. Can I run into someone? I like the ominous music. Makes me feel like I'm the only one here. Well, either way, I feel like I'm the only one here. God damn. There's a lone quiche. Who fucking cares? Sitting underneath this bench. Great. Will you take it? Yes. You got the abandoned. Yeah! I'm just gonna fill this whole area up. Why not? Down on the floor, use the cup of doom. It is honestly just so stressful whenever I'm not getting any single sign. Oh, there we go. Oh, hi, little fella. You want biscuit? Oh, I almost one-shot you. Ow. Okay, I forgot how to dodge. You're dead. Bye. Good night. So, I'm gonna keep saving. Maybe? Possibly? Absolutely? 16 left. I just... If I make any progress, I'm not gonna save unless I absolutely know. Because I don't want to make any progress and accidentally screw up something. This is the most stressful part, because, in my opinion, Undying is the hardest boss I've ever even attempted to fight. I've never made it past Undying in any of my attempts of playing, this... But I am enjoying the fact that, things are coming to me more often. I just want to get this out of the way and get all my kill streaks done, so that way I know I'm ready. Oh, there we go. Okay. Oh, you're so... I didn't mean to do that. Oh, that was a waste. Now, I want to say this. I've been playing a lot of Deltarune, and I'm used to, I don't know. I plugged my controller into the PC, and I try to play. I am used to controllers. That's just how I roll. And I beat the black shard thing. Roaring Knight. I beat the... Yeah, Roaring Knight. That's the name. I kept thinking, like, Black Knight, like, I don't know, some Family Guy thing or whatever. I don't know. My brain's all sorts of messed up right now. I'm tired. I just want to beat this. I'm gonna shut up now and just, speed up the stuff. I'm gonna speed it up. I'm gonna make progress now. I'm gonna try to, at least. I'm gonna see if I can. Yes, I want to look to the telescope. Okay, fine, I'll check the wall. It's already been checked. Now, I don't know if this counts. This is a segment. Okay, I'm going for it. At least whenever I restart the game, I'm gonna restart at a save that I have 7 left. It's me! It's me! Idiot! hurts later. Oh, God. Ugh. You okay? You're being grabbed by the eye and picked up. Have fun! Searching for someone who ain't there. Oh, God, now I have to listen to you! Yo, did you see that? Undyne just touched me! I'm never washing my face again! Man, are you unlucky? If you were standing just a little bit to the left. Yo, don't worry. I'm sure we'll see her again. Oh, please, one of these days, fall flat on your face and never get up. Okay. 7 left. Okay. I can save. Good. Strangely silent. I wonder why. Oh, yes, I do wonder why. Oh, hello? Empty, okay. Maybe I should turn off all the lights. Yeah. Imagine I got the Gaster room in a Genocide run. Oh yeah, that's right. Okay, yeah, okay, so this is like a major area for killing stuff. Turning off all the lights because I'm a creep. It's a pair of ballet shoes. Will you take it? Obviously. Now, what the hell do these do? Info. Attack 7. Oh, okay. Now, what did my old weapon do? 5. Ooh. Okay, so I'm even more dangerous. Hell yeah! Now, you'd assume with me stealing all the money I can, I'd, get a lot of money. I don't want this anymore. I might just have... No, never mind. I was gonna say, I might just have to toss it, but then I remembered, there's always the, Tem village. Can I run into something, please? Anything? Preferably 3 things at once, so I can, knock out the score. I don't want to get too far. I really hope this recording saves. All I need to record is up to the boss fight, and that's good. That's good enough. All people need to know is that I beat it. Oh. The onion dude isn't here. Okay, interesting. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Something tells me that, I went a bit too far. Ooh. So that way I don't waste my time, I'm gonna backtrack. I'll see you on a minute. Okay, it says 6 left. Okay. I just want to drain that really quick before I go any further, because that scared me. See you all whenever I'm, done grinding. that, everyone? Sweet, succulent silence. How I missed it. Ah. I remember way back in the ruins when Toriel used to think that I was in danger. And I remember I said, I am the danger. Remember that, everyone? Oh, yeah, I remember that. Good memories, good times. I'm gonna grab that Doge. I don't think I can, actually. I think I filled my inventory like an idiot. No, I'm not gonna grab it. No. Yes, the rain. Yo, you can't hold an umbrella either? If you're walking anyway, I guess I'll go with you. Haha. Let's go! Kid, you don't know what you're in for. Believe me, you do not know what you're in for. Man, Undyne is so cool. She beats up bad guys and never loses. If I was a human, I would wet the bed every night. Knowing she was gonna beat me up. I'm gonna do a quick audio test. Continuing. Oh, God. So, one time, we had a school project where we had to take care of a flower. The king, we had to call him Mr. Dreamer, volunteered to donate his own flowers. He ended up coming to school and teaching the class about responsibility and stuff. That got me thinking. Yo, how cool would it be if Undyne came to school? She would beat up all the teachers. Aw, that's adorable. You think there's even gonna be teachers left alive after this? Maybe she wouldn't beat up the teachers. She's too cool to ever hurt an innocent person. Yeah. She's too cool to hurt an innocent person. Quotation. She tried to hurt me whenever I was an innocent person back in the ye old day. Now look what I've become! Here, you want an umbrella? Yo, this ledge is way too steep. Yo, you want to see Undyne, right? Climb on my shoulders. Sure. Ow! Yo, try being a little less rough. Anyway, I'll look for another way through. Later. I'm sure I'll see you later. Determination. Oh boy. Here we go. Round 2. So quiet. I remember playing a VR chat map that had this exact sequence. It was really cool. I'm just being a nerd. Anyway. God, this is way too easy. I mean, yawn. Come on, man. Give me a challenge, Undyne. Go. Really tells me I'm gonna regret my words. Later on, I'm gonna regret my words. The ghost is clear. It's only been 2 seconds. I'm walking back. Oh yeah, the ghost is clear.
Hi, Undying. You want to put that name to the test and see if you really can't die?
Or you can be an idiot and cut the goddamn bridge in half when you clearly could have caught me!
It sounds like it came from over here. Oh, you've fallen down, haven't you? Are you okay? Here, get up. Big M, huh? That's a nice name. My name is...
Azrael! Oh, jolt awake, alright. Ooh, what's this? Donation box? And can't fit inside. Check it again to try donating. Donate? How much can I donate? This was not here before, by the way. Okay, I've donated $5. Where's the prize? This better lower the difficulty of the Undying fight. I donated $5 used. You're making me use your brain. Oh man, I should have emptied my inventory. God, I'm an idiot. I got an idea. I'm gonna eat that. I'm gonna take one of the astronaut food, because then I'm gonna have more. I'm such a smartass. Seems like a regular training dummy. Do you want to beat it up? Obviously. You punch the dummy at full force. Feels good. You know what? I'm gonna call Toriel, see how she's doing. Oh, okay. I guess she's busy. Okay. I don't think you should fight me. I'm way too determined for your ass. Fool! You think you can hurt me? I am a ghost that lives inside a dummy! My cousin used to live inside a dummy too, until you came along! Not only did your actions cause them to leave their home, but now all of their neighbors are gone too! Despicable, despicable, despicable! You're the worst person I've ever met! I've never been more mad! Oh, my mannequin levels are going off the charts! What the hell just happened? This feeling! Eureka, eureka, eureka! Human! That moment of unbridled emotion! It allowed me to finally fuse with my body! I'm fully corporeal now! My lifelong dream realized! In return, I guess I won't stomp you. How's that sound? Bye! Now, you're just a ghost. Unable to interact with anything. Unable to say anything. Not able to be seen or heard by anyone ever again for the rest of eternity. You are truly alone forever. Have a nice life! Determination! Hell yeah! Okay. Let's have a little visit with Undying. Doesn't seem like anyone's home. Oh well. What do I hear? Ooh. It's a spider web. There's a flyer for a bake sale on. Okay. The computer's internet, yada yada. Okay, no one cares. I've read all this before, I'm pretty sure. Is there anything in there? Any chocolate?
Do you have any chocolate?
Okay, I won't do the voice. Oh yeah, there's usually a snail race. But Professor Ghost Boy is gone. Oh well. Sucks to suck. I'm gonna put... I think I should put the butterscotch pie in there. Yeah, and I'm gonna do that and that. See what this guy has to offer. What voice should I give you?
So, you came here. What a treat. Don't expect a discount.
Okay. I respect that you don't fear me. I think you're literally gonna be the only person alive in all of the underground. I just now realized that. Anyway, crab apple looks like a crab, doesn't do anything. Heals 10 HP, speed up in battle. Cloudy glasses. Armor. Nope. Invincible longer, though. I'm buying that just in case. Invincible longer. See, that might come in handy. You never know. I'm not gonna talk with you.
Good riddance.
Oh, I accidentally did Papyrus's voice. Ah, shice. Alright, I'm gonna put you in there, take you, put you in there, take you, and I'm going to... Oh, wait! Duh! I'm gonna, I'm gonna sell you, and sell you. Yeah, because I can sell now. Right, and then I'm gonna... Yeah, okay. Wait, what's down here? Yeah, I get it, nobody came. Nobody ever will. We're gonna take a quick detour, alright? We got some stuff to sell to, some interesting individuals. I get it, nobody came! Oh god. I'm confused, because that donation box was not there earlier. Heh. Oh, no one's here. Determination. Save. What voice do I, I'm just...
Hi, welcome to the Tem Shop.
Oh god, why am I reading everything? Oh wait, yeah. So I'm gonna sell you this insanely amazing bandana. Screw you and your college. Correction. The 2 people left in the underground. No. Yes. God, this music. There we go. Got some money back. What do you got? Oh. Okay, I see. Alright, so you're completely pointless. I get it. That's fine. No, that's perfectly fine, Timmy. It's okay that you're pointless. No, it's perfectly fine! Determination, gotta make sure that I'm determined to go forward. I get it, I'm alone. But I'm perfectly fine with that. I'm fine with being alone. As long as I get to be the last one alive in this wretched hell. Okay, yeah, I get it. I forgot how annoying it was to get that every few seconds. I get that more often than I do getting actual kills. God, please. For the love of God. I'm getting more and more nervous as I get closer. Is there anything that... Is there anything that goes up here? No? Over here? No? Alright. You'd assume that he'd add a bit more secrets to the game, you know? Oh boy. Here we go. Alright.
Behind you.
Hi, how you doing? I tell you, you can walk a bit faster, huh? Oh boy.
7. 7 human souls. With the power of 7 human souls, our king, King Asgore Dreamer, will become a god. With that power, Asgore can finally shatter the barrier. He will finally take the surface back from humanity and give them back the suffering and pain that we have endured. Understand, human? This is your only chance at redemption. Give up your soul, or I'll tear it from your body.
No, I don't want to. No, Undyne! I'll help you fight! Yo! You did it! Undyne is right in front of you! You've got front row seats to her fight! Wait. Who's she fighting? Hey! You aren't gonna tell my parents about this, are you? Your parents don't exist, silly! Okay. Oh no. Nervousness is setting in. Determination. Okay. First, I need to equip the the torn notebook. No. Oh, man. Okay, I'm gonna make one attempt. I'll make at least 4 attempts with what I have now. Okay, I'll make 4 attempts. And then I'll switch it up. Yo! Yo! Undyne told me to stay away from you. She said you hurt a lot of people. But, yo, that's not true, right? Yo, why won't you answer me? And what's with that weird expression?
Don't you get it, boy? Wait. Kid? Don't you get it, kid? I don't know what you are. You have my permission to be offended.
Oh man. Man, my heart's pounding right out of my chest. What would Undyne do? Yo, you better stop right where you are. 'Cause if you want to hurt anyone else, you're gonna have to get through me first. And
You're in my way, kid. I'll fix that. This is what bravery gets you.
Oh! Undyne, you're hurt.
Hurt? It's nothing. Next time, listen when I tell you to leave, okay?
Undyne,
I'll take care of this. Get out of here!
Listen, kid.
It's nothing. No. Somehow, with just one hit, I'm already... Damn it! Pyrus, Alphys, Asgore. Just like that. I failed you. No. My body. It feels like it's splitting apart. Like any instant, I'll scatter into a million pieces. But deep down in my soul, there's a burning feeling I can't describe. A burning feeling that won't let me die. This isn't just about monsters anymore, is it? If you get past me, you'll destroy them all, won't you? Monsters, humans, everyone. Everyone's hopes, everyone's dreams, vanquished in an instant. But I won't let you do that. Right now, everyone in the world, I can feel their hearts beating as one. And we all have one goal, to defeat you! Human, no, whatever you are. For the sake of the whole world, I, Undyne, will strike you down!
Oh, God, no! Okay, here we go. My special hell begins.
You're gonna have to try a little harder than that!
The heroine appears. Ah! Okay, here we go. Woo! I'm gonna shut up this whole fight, man. I'm Genocide determined. Oh god, my heart's pounding. This is definitely not gonna get done in this episode. Believe me. Oh god. So yeah, skip to the point, skip to the point, skip to the point. I'll see you all back in the fight. my... I gotta program my fubbernucking brain to do that! Ugh. Yellow means opposite, man! I just gotta look at the direction, cause it's facing the direction, as long as I just dip it back! See you all in all my attempts. Bah! I hate that. Hate that attack. Was that the fourth one? That was the third one. I need invincibility. There's literally no invincibility whatsoever. I swear to God, I hate those mother... That's gonna be the end of this episode. I'll see you all in the next one. Bye.